Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So, this video is to answer one friend's comment. I got one friend asking, why do you skim the yogurt? I will show you. I was too lazy to answer, to type it. So, since I make the yogurt every day, now I just make it and explain it. I think so I put yogurt starter in it, which is the yogurt I just made. So here, let's take a look what I am talking about. So here are the yogurt, and they are good, very, very good. And for tomorrow, going to work, I make drinkable yogurt. I can blend this yogurt, but it's relatively too liquidy. So I want to use some of this liquid yogurt plus some of the drained yogurt to get the perfect consistency. And the top is the fatty part. If you take a look, the top has a little layer of cream, which is very, very delicious. And I skim the top so that this is the fatty part. This is the delicious part. See, there is a layer of cream. Do you see? It's different, right? Because the fat goes to the top of the yogurt, and this is the delicious part. So I skim it off, and the later part, the lower part, has much less fat. It's a relatively more acidic, and the top is very creamy. So I use the top creamy part, which is relatively liquidy but not sour. Use this to combine the drained yogurt. And this drained yogurt is good, but it's a little bit too condensed. It's like cream cheese. So if you eat cream cheese, it's just a little bit too heavy, right? So this plus the fat part, I blend them. I blend this fat part so it makes something more drinkable. And these, they are much less fat. I drain into this, so the acidic goes away. Does it make any sense? The other day, one friend asked, Yanghaiying, you live a frugal life. it's a little bit too condensed. I want it a little bit more liquidy so that I can. Okay, perfect. So this is the consistency I want to get. I want to drink something like this. Now take a look how I want it. So this is the consistency I want. And so a little bit of condensed yogurt, a little bit normal yogurt. I get kind of half-half condensity, and this is the best. The other day, one friend said, "Haiying, you seem live a frugal life. I mean, I do not spend a lot of money. I do not like to spend a lot of money, and I do not have chance to spend a lot of money." And she asked, "What do you splurge on? What do you spend that unreasonably?" I mean, if I say what I unreasonably expense, I think time. I am quite splurging on time, or I'm quite generous on time, or not caring too much on time. This is very, very relaxing for me to do this. And I put a little bit that, a little bit this, and it's a lot of fun for me. I really, really enjoy it, and it's nourishing me. Of course, I can use this time to learn a new technology. I can use this time to do some cooking video. I can use this time to do something to make money. But no, I just enjoy it, and that's something that I really spend a lot of time on, to do this small bricolage. Okay, now I will clean this. You will see me in a couple of minutes. Okay, I washed it. Now, now I will drain this one. So every day, half an hour, 1 hour, it really makes me feel so relaxed. And I know I'm taking care of myself. So this act really very encouraging, soothing, and a lot of fun. So I always think having time is the ultimate luxury. I have time to waste. It's because I am rich, right? So that I can waste my time. I don't think billionaires have time to do these things because they have no time, so they are not rich. Anyway, rich or not is not even that important actually. We have the time to do the thing we like. We do not need to spend time to do the things we do not like. That's the goal of our life, right? If we want to do it, we do it. If we do not want to do it, we can afford not to do it. That's the goal of life. If we want it, we can afford to do it because we have time. If we do not want to do it, we can afford not to do it and let it be done. And that is the luxury of life. Now I need to wash this. And this one, it's time to make some new starter. Okay, now we will use the start. We will make some starter. I use this small bottle for starter. Use this for drinking, for eating. And this starter has a rubber band. This is the first generation. Look at it, how good it is. And the top, oh, I put a lot of cream. See the top layer, that is the delicious part. This is the starter. Look at it. That's the fat part. It's not very healthy to eat so fat stuff, but quite delicious. This is lemon flavored. Now we will put this into the bottle. 马上就好啊。马上啊，你完全可以，你应该，你怎么能不会呢？No.
Can you move?
你不能 discriminating palm.
我可以，那只偷踢踢的。
No.
You didn't do anything cool.
No.
Pop, 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 pop.
That's not nice.
Pop.
Okay, that's it.